If you live in an area where frost is coming soon, but your tomato plants are still growing, you can take cuttings from them to grow them indoors until spring. This way, your tomato plants will already be established in the spring, and as a result will produce earlier than from seeds. Simply take a cutting about 6 inches long, put it in a jar of water, and once it grows roots, plant it in a pot and leave indoors in a well-lit area. These are proof how easy it is to propagate tomato plants through cuttings. These are 7 days old and they have all these roots and are ready to be planted in a pot and put indoors for the winter.